Hi, welcome to the Jurassic Port. I am Lucas and today we're smoking cheese.
Alright, this first block is a block of mild cheddar. I'm going to try to put them on the smoker if I can, in order that I take them off so I remember which ones are which. But I saw other people smoking these and they were cutting them into smaller cubes and then cutting those cubes up when they were done, just so they can get a better smoke penetration on it. I thought that was a pretty good idea. The only thing you have to do with these is when you are done, you got to wrap them up. And I'm probably just going to shove them all into one bag if I can and vacuum seal them. So we're going to go ahead and get those laid out on our smoking rack here. And we will start on the next one. Alright, here's a block of Monterey Jack. I'm going to try to keep all these chunks pretty much even. I may actually, on the last few blocks, just cut them in half and see if there's any difference. But I have a feeling these ones will have more smoke flavor with them for sure, since they are cut smaller. Like I said, this one here is Monterey Jack. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's a cold, windy day out there today. Thought about fishing, but kind of hard to do that in the wind, so figured might as well smoke some cheese. Alright, here's the cheeses we are dealing with today. We've got mild cheddar, Monterey Jack, Colby Jack, sharp cheddar, and pepper jack. So we're going to go ahead and take this out and put it on the Z-Grilled smoker. We are not running the smoker today. We are just running the Smoke Daddy cold smoke generator today. So we're going to give that a try and smoke all this cheese. Let's go get that fired up. Got them on the smoker. Now we just got to fire it up and get ready to watch these babies start taking on some color. This is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of cheese to eat, but we're going to have a good time with this. Alright, right now I've got 3 charcoal chunks sitting inside here, so I'm just going to take a regular torch and go ahead and get those things lit up. Probably going to hold it under maybe about a minute. Could put them in a chimney and get them going too and just drop them in with some tongs, but everyone likes messing with a torch. Alright, as you can see, it is going. Went ahead and put in some of Smoke Daddy's Mojo Barbecue smoking cubes inside of here. So that is going. We have smoke coming out of the top. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Just opening the grill up, the smoker here, and watching all that smoke in there. This is going to be great. I am really looking forward to seeing how this cheese is. The nice thing about this is like I said, the smoker is off, so the temp is going to stay down on it. I will put a temp probe in if I can find one here. It might be at my house, just to see what the internal temp is, if it heats up at all, but I think this is going to be great. It's a nice cold day out here. It's in the 50s and super windy, so I think this will be just fine. We'll let this smoke for, well, probably an hour or so. We'll come out and check it. Alright, this has been smoking for 2 hours. Go ahead and open this up and take a look at that. You see that? It's just pumping the smoke out. I don't know if you can see in there that good through that smoke, but you can actually see it. Looks like the cheese is starting to sweat a little bit. There is some nice smoke color forming on there. You can see it sweating a little bit on there. Hey, that thing works awesome. It's amazing how much smoke that puts out. I haven't had to put anything in it yet at all. And that's it there. Little Smoke Daddy. I did an install video and how to put it together, and it was super simple. Everything just threaded right in. All I had to do was drill a hole into the smoker and everything went on there amazing. So this thing works great. Definitely check them out. SmokedaddyInc.com. Got it right there. Yeah, these things are impressive. They have a bunch of different sizes of them. So do a lot of different stuff. Add a bunch of smoke flavor to your pellet smoker too, because this pellet smokers don't really put off that much smoke. So adding one of those, you'll be able to get an extra smoke pumped into your food there. So definitely check them out, SmokedaddyInc.com. What do you think's in there?
Cheese.
Yeah, that looks good, don't it? What do we have to do first before we can eat it?
Well, we already smoked it, so we have to wrap it and let it set.
Wrap it and let it set for a couple days, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
And then there's our Smoke Daddy.
Yeah, thing looks great. Well, we'll get these inside and get a better picture of them. Well, there it is. That Smoke Daddy did an amazing job. You can see the cheese is starting to sweat now. There's a beautiful smoke flavor on, smoke smell and everything, and those cheeses really darkened right up. So we're gonna go ahead and get them patted off. Been watching some other smoked cheese videos, and that's what they do. They say to pat the oils off of them, and then we'll wrap them up into plastic and put them in the fridge for, oh, I'll say we'll try 5 days, but it's gonna be really hard to not get into the fridge and open these up and try them. So I'd love to try one right now, but I think we're gonna hold off and see what happens. All right, stay tuned. There it is, all wrapped up. Gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge and try to let it sit for 5 days. I don't know if you noticed this at all, but one of these are shorter than the others because we may have saved one out. So the boys want to do a taste test on it. So we're gonna see how it turns out. All right, let's give this a try and see how it is. Definitely smoky, that's for sure. It's really going to be good, like Lucas said, in 5 days. You really taste that smoke on it though. So thanks again for Smoke Daddy for sending us that smoke generator to try out. I'm going to tell you, it's going to work great. We're going to use it a lot. And thanks again for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you'd like to leave any comments, please do. And again, thanks for watching. God bless.